Alam mo sa House, ginagawa namin yung committee hearings on teleconferencing. I think since nangyari yung COVID, it has become part of the process. Now, I would want to avoid making a comment on how the Senate should run its may ethic meron din kami courtesy sa isa't isa. Pero insofar as the impeachment is involved, kasi that's where we have participation, we feel that, I personally feel that it's very necessary for one to participate physically. Kasi you're not sitting as a legislator eh. You're sitting as a senator judge. And the language, the tenor of the language, the behavior of the witness, those are things that cannot be reflected by online participation. I think katulad ng sinabi ni Professor Ranch, gusto natin patas, maayos, credible yung proseso. Dapat yung participation din ng mga senator judges should reflect that intent to make sure na credible yung proseso. Eh paano ka naman magiging huwes kung hindi mo makikita kung paano gumalaw yung witness, paano yung dynamics ng pagtanong ng prosecution or defense with the witness. So those are things that are critical towards making a sound judgment, which in that case, I would agree na hindi makakatulong kung hindi natin magagawa kung magkakaroon ng online participation.